Hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So if you are here watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right. And then a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on discussion in this section or in this video here, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So today we're going to continue to look into the market. Okay, it looks like actually yesterday also slightly a bit quiet already. And today also looks like some, especially tech counters, doing a little bit of pullbacks currently. Like I said, I was still looking into some tech companies because there's a nice reversal in the background. Okay, so hopefully this round pullback will be slightly a bit deeper. Okay, next week you will hit, some of them actually hit 20 MA, and it's a good opportunity for me to look into it. Okay, so anyway, I still like tech. If you know me, since last year, I've been looking to tech, but it dropped further. But this round actually comes with some volume whenever they do this reversal over here. So it looks like, they're going to make a very nice recovery, okay, based on what happens, with this volume here. Okay, 99 speed mark, sure, I'll look into 99 speed mark. Actually, like I said, also I'm looking into 99 speed mark as well. They are kind of similar with Kopi actually. So this morning, when I checked the stock, I think there's some discussion in the group also. They're actually holding about around the 20 MA very nicely. Okay, so actually I was thinking also to make an entry from there as well. So okay, now IBM KLCI, well, still okay. Nothing changes. Okay, I think don't need to explain that much. Like I said, next resistance is 1600. Continue to monitor that. Of course, the support will remain around 1550. Okay, next gap up here. So hopefully this gap hold well. Okay, throughout today's Friday already, next week, and then they challenge 1600. Okay, very very soon. Okay, so now let's do into the speed mark. If you got any counters you want me to look into, you can comment at the below there. Okay, probably we'll take a look. Now, another speed mark, like I said, it's a bit similar like Kopi. It's exactly similar like Kopi. Okay, they're actually making a nice reversal, breaking on this downtrend line. Okay, now currently they're already touching the 20 MA. Okay, so for me, I don't see any major weakness so far. I think there's still a chance, okay, for them to cross. Okay, so of course the nearest resistance is very very close because this is a tight range. Okay, like for example Kopi also tight range. Okay, 80 cent is the resistance they need to break. Okay, so if not, it's just going to sideways aja lah, sini. Right, so this I think will be the nearest so-called resistance area they need to cross. So of course previously we have hit here, but I think here got lots of so-called touching point, okay, which is here previously we got a lot, and even here also we got some over here, right? So if let's say we can close above 2.25, they will go on to continue to change the next resistance. Okay, I think next resistance just now morning we do talk about it in the Telegram, 2.33 area this area over here, 2.33. Okay, probably got chance to hit here. All right, so like I said, I'm still considering, okay, to enter because it's a bit similar Kopi. Of course, right now, like I said, I was keeping my capital for pullback in technology. Okay, so hopefully next week, Inari and the rest of the tech will probably pull back slightly further. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for actually for next week. Okay, so yes, there's 99. Let's do into some of the counters that we have been talking about, or probably some of the counters that I'm holding. If you follow some of the trades, okay, probably you can get quick updates over here. So again, like I say, Kopi and so-called 90 SP mark is a bit similar. Okay, so they actually make a so-called trend reversal, breaking about 20-40-day moving average. Now it's currently holding around the 20 MA. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit disappointing that the day it didn't really took off. Okay, it didn't really break above the 80 cents area. But okay still good. Okay, going to probably have a little bit more patience. Okay, to see what next. Okay, as long as they are above support, I was still going to hold. Okay, for Kopi. Okay, MMAG yesterday do a wash. Okay, like I said, this one 70 cents seems a bit strong, a bit similar to Salcon. Okay, I think it's fine if you are watching. It's like I said, it's a bit similar to Salcon. Okay, this counters. Okay, so yesterday looks like they are trying to do a shakeout or maybe retest support already, most probably are going to exit because if let's say they retest support, I think they're going to drag for a while. Okay, it's not to say that this chart is not good. I still think that they got chance, okay, to cross the 70 cents, to retest over 80 cents. Okay, but maybe here it's gonna take some time. Okay, so I don't want my capital stuck because I do see some of the nice counters doing pullbacks already, like Inari. So probably I want to keep for that. Okay, but if let's say you got capitals, you think that I don't like tech actually, I don't like the rest of the stocks. MMAG is still good for me. Yeah, I think it's still worthwhile. Okay, to look into. Okay, so that's MMAG. Okay, let's do into post. Okay, post still at resistance. Hey, okay, coming already. Hopefully lah. Hopefully this one will cross. Okay, looking good, looking good. I was waiting for a few days. Actually, I also thought I want to exit everything. But okay, let's see how it goes for today. So far, I think volume is great. Yep, I still holding half of post right now. Okay, now EG. I also tackle this one will start to do pullback already because they also doing pullback. Okay, now EG here support. Okay, so as long as above this support, I think still fine. 1.10. Okay, the other one is TTBHB lah. TTBHB yesterday I bid a bit FOMO lah to enter lah. So but let's see how lah. Look, if let's say still holding back, I guess still pretty fine. Okay, this is okay, currently still okay. This is today, right? I believe 16 May. Okay, so still fine. The other one is Upstar, but Upstar I was aiming for the pullback. Okay, I was aiming for the pullback. Okay, so let's see how it goes today. Today's still the same. Okay, let's say Upstar and TTBHB both is the same. Okay, copy Nadia Swima is the same. Okay, the chart pattern is the same. Okay, so okay, now let's look into some counters that I'm actually aiming as well. Okay, we want to see what is going on today. Let me just check now because sometimes I got too many stocks I have to write down. Okay, Yongtai Genetech. Okay, let's try Genetech first. Okay, I'll look into Sumi. Okay, morning Suiwa, morning Ismail. Okay, this one's good. But yesterday volume a bit high lah. Okay, yesterday volume a bit high. But never mind. We see how it goes. This is on 15 May. Okay, 15 May. 1.10 I think it'll be quite nice. Okay. Happy Teacher Day to you for teaching every morning. Okay, thank you. Hey, today Teacher Day, yeah. Today Teacher Day, ka? I didn't know. Let me check. Oh yeah, today Teacher Day. Okay. Hey, good morning, Harry. Okay, I left school for almost 10 over years already. I also forgot about Teacher Day. Oh, okay. Thanks for confirming, Harry. Okay, good. Okay, so happy Teacher Day for those that who are a teacher. Okay, or maybe you are in this education line. Okay, yeah, I miss my teacher. I miss my school there as well. Okay, now getting older already, you want to go back to school sometimes. Okay, let's look into Yongtai. Okay, Yongtai nice pullback. Okay, Yongtai nice pullback. Okay. So, what about below 20 cents? Like I say, is good, okay, but below 20 cents, you can actually look into if you like something exciting. Oh yeah, JF Tech. How can I forget my JF Tech? Okay, JF Tech yesterday didn't make a strong closing, but this one I think they will start to do a bit of pullback also. Okay, so again, same things over here. So you can look into the nearest closest so-called up candle with pullback signal. So if let's say they are still holding around 50 cents, I think still good. Okay, for those that who are aiming for entry, this area, okay, 50 cents area should be nice one. Okay, but this one I enter already. So that's why I'm applying the same thing for others like Red Tech, Front Can, Dufu, or maybe Inari. Okay, so if got time later, we'll look into it. Okay, so now let's look into Sumi. Okay, I think Sumi today active, is it? Because I saw my so-called my intraday alerts. Okay, I do see Sumi coming already. Okay, but it's a new IPO counters, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, it's a new IPO counters. Okay, To be frank, this is only listed last month. Okay, so I only got 1 month plus of data. Yes, it looks like there's some trend, but it's not that obvious overall. But looking based on current what happens right now, I think it's okay. I think it's pretty good. Okay, because at least we do see some up bar, including today. Like, of course, right now is only the first 40 minutes of the day. Okay, including today, we do see up bar with increasing volume. So this one, which means they are still pretty good. Okay. Oh, thank you, Ruku. Thank you, Ruku. Okay. Thank you for the happy teacher day. So here, like I said, it's pullback. Okay, healthy pullback. Normally, you will see widespread candle. Okay, up with increasing volume, and then followed by narrow candle with low volume. Okay, so for me, this one is still healthy, and likely, yeah, they will continue to challenge the resistance. Okay, so if you ask me, yes, Sumi is still good. Nearest support you can use, of course, is somewhere here. Okay, like I said, it's a bit of a lack of information, but I think so far this is the support that you should look for, 0.185. Okay, 185 is a support that I think you should monitor closely. Okay, so that's Sumi. Any other counters I'm going to look into? Okay, if not, we just go into my intraday alerts over here. Then later on, I can go into some previous strength counters. We want to check the pullback. Okay, like I said, Inarila, all these few counters. Okay, Michelle, good morning. All right, thank you for joining me. Okay, now let's see Sunlogy. Sunlogy also newly listed. Okay, hey, also doing a reversal setups. Okay, volume okay, not too bad. All right, so here, okay, lots of them actually do reversal already. All right, so I think not to say like very bullish type, but at least this one at least can sustain for a few months. Okay, so hopefully right now we can see a healthy pullback. So we got more opportunity to enter at the lower risk area. So okay, now Sunlogy. Okay, so today volume pretty good. Okay, hopefully next week we test back. Okay, and then hits the 20 MA. Right, so this is the low risk area that you should focus. Okay, so I think yes, Sunlogy got the opportunities there. Okay, now let's try agenda. This is from Missio. GradTech. Okay, I will look into GradTech because personally also I kind of like GradTech. Wow. Okay. To be frank, I didn't really focus agenda, Missio. Is all this one is slightly a bit quiet, boring counter, but I'm surprised they actually make a nice big movement. Okay. Now I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit because entry wise is very far. Okay, it's very far from support. I think there is a certain risk there that you should consider. Okay, weekly chart wise, looks like they are doing a accumulation phase. Okay, you want to top up. So if let's say you want to top up, okay, I think based on weekly chart wise, they do have a long-term, so-called long-term sign of like a change of trend. Okay, because you can notice, right, the volume started to feel a bit huge. Okay, since this is back to July or maybe around August 2023. Okay, so sometimes like I said, accumulation take years. Okay, this is one example. All right, so if you notice, once the volume kick in, right, somewhere around here, right, the trend started to change a little bit already. Okay, unlike previously so steep, the downtrend. So okay, at least we know that on a bigger picture, there's accumulations going on. Okay, now if you want to talk, I think yes, but of course right now this is a price that is a bit you expect a pullback. But if let's say previously you bought at the bottom here, you top up here, average is still okay, I think it's fine. Okay, if let's say you really want to, so I can say that the support area should be around, nearest support should be around 85 cents. Okay, but still much far away. This is 93 cents. Okay, I'm not sure whether later on it will hit here and then like this or not. Okay, but well, some support 85 cents. Okay, support 85 cents. So probably somewhere in this range, I think it's good for you to do top up. Okay, so like I said, long term wise, looking to overall view, this stock is in the accumulation phase. Okay, so if you want top up whole, yes, it's suitable. But looking today, time frame is a bit. They are having a strong momentum right now. So pullback might happens. Okay, so do expect that. Okay, do expect that. Okay, so if let's say resistance wise, probably I can say, yep, this will be somewhere here. I think 1 ringgit. I think 1 ringgit somewhere is the nearest resistance. Okay, 1 ringgit. All right, so this range, okay, 85 cents is nicer. If not, maybe yeah, current price of current price is 93 cents, or maybe somewhere around 90 cents. Okay. So here we got period support. This is also lots of so-called area of touching area, touching point area. So maybe 90 cents also is good for you to consider for top up if you want to. Okay, so there's agenda. Let's go into Gadang. Okay. Gadang also got reversal patterns. Okay, short-term recovery. Volume is not that huge. Okay, let's see with the chart. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Here we previously have some volume coming in. Okay, so yes, doing some accumulation phase around here. But short-term trend looks like they are still a bit down. Okay, so I think good if you want to focus on short terms. Okay, rather than buy and hold first. So okay, now looking into Gadang, at this moment, okay, this moment over here, we do see, of course, a short-term recovery. Okay, trend reversal. So yes, we have break, first pullback. First pullback. So just now what counters reading? Sunlogy. Okay. Sunlogy is somewhere around here. So you wait for the first pullback to close to 2040. Wow, Emulus very high already, you see. In fact, actually Emulus we posted last week, when they actually started to do reversal. But after that, shoot up 2 bar. I also missed out. Okay, but if I'm looking at entry right now, probably I'll look into that later on. Okay, so there's Gadang. Currently, they are doing the second round of pullback. Okay, so far for me, still healthy. Okay, still healthy. This round of pullback still healthy. Probably later on they will close to 20 MA before try higher. Okay, but this one, like I said, overall trend is still didn't show a very strong type of bullish trend yet. So probably you want to focus on short term. Whenever you hit resistance, you take a bit of profits. Okay, so there's Gadang. Anyway, nice reversal with a couple of pullbacks. They actually completed 2 pullbacks already after the reversal. Okay, now it's a second one. Nice, the second one. Okay, so let's look into VS. VS also, I think, started to do a bit pullback. This one's similar in Inari. Okay, looking for entry. Okay, looking for entry. Like I said, this one, all right. Because this candle like Inari as well. Okay, it's a bit white. Okay, so if you really want to, because the pullback yet to complete, maybe some this area over here can start to focus already. 845 lah. Okay, 845 lah. Okay, chart pattern wise, again similar Inari, pullback 2 candles, low volume. Okay, so what I mean is like this. Okay, this one is white bar with high volume, good sign. Okay, this one including today but today now is only the first hour I'm not sure whether towards the end or not. How is it? But it looks like now it's low volume. So pulling back with low volume again is always a healthy, so-called healthy kind of movement, healthy kind of pullbacks. Okay, so yes, if you're looking for entry, I think this is one of the good setups. Okay, probably you want to focus around 85 cents area. I'm not sure whether it hits or not. If let's say, for example, this one to cut loss point is within your 8%, I think you can also actually consider as well. Okay, but again, depending on whether you suitable for you or not. Because for me, my trading plan, okay, I always have a trading plan. It's always that my entry price is always less than 8% from my cut loss point. Okay, which means if let's say I enter here, my cut loss is here. Okay, this one is no more than 8%. Okay, no more than 8%. Okay, so let's say more than 8%. Sometimes I wait, I pop my alerts lower, see whether it can hit or not. Of course, sometimes it will miss. Okay, like I say, for example, like Emulus, few of the counters I missed as well, okay, because it didn't fulfill the criteria. Okay, so depending on which one you're more comfortable with. Okay, for me, I always look into risk, but if you think that this one small losses only for me, okay, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, this setup I think is good. Okay, at this moment. Okay, this is VS. Let's look into Emulus, looking for EP. Emulus, I think yesterday hits the one of the main resistance. Okay, and it shows shooting star. Okay, today still holding ball. Okay. If you ask me, I say no. If you ask me, I say no. Okay, but if you really want to, this one I have to use hourly chart really, because momentum. Okay, similar agenda lah, Mr. If let's say you are looking for short-term opportunity, look for hourly chart. Okay, Emulus, look into hourly chart. If you really wanted to enter, okay, this area here is a support, this gap area. Okay, so I think the things that probably happen right now is that because this 2 day is a bit momentum, and today, even yesterday, market is a bit slowed down already. Okay, so most probably they will hit here 20 MA before another round. Okay, so few things you can monitor. First, you monitor the gaps. Second, drop below 20 MA, that is your cut-off point. Okay, so if you're really interested right now, okay, still good, because yes, just yesterday is shooting star, but today still holding back. But personally for me, like I said, I always look into my risk. Maybe it's not for me right now. Okay, I rather look for others that close to the support. Okay, so okay, now let's turn into Gamuda, looking for exit. Okay, Gamuda started to do pullbacks. All right, it looks like they hit here. Okay, this is the closest one. Okay, next one. Okay, this one don't need already lah. I erase lah, because this one is already over. Okay, support, I think still support, you need to move up higher. Okay, again, this is also supported with the latest strength candles. So if you monitor here, this is the latest strength candle. Okay, so they need to support somewhere around this area above. Okay, now since you're looking for exit, the next time when you try 475, okay, I think it's good to take some profit, lock some profits. Okay, into this area here, because here previously got one, and now they seems like a bit difficult to break. Okay, so yes, they will be your nearest resistance. Okay, next one, 490. Okay, so this is 475, next one 490. Okay, so probably this is the area that you want to exit for your so-called potential target profits. Okay, any other counters I'm going to look into? Okay, push coming. Okay, let's see. Okay, probably want to lock another profit already. This is 340, maybe 340. I troubled everything. Okay, today how much? Today 8%. Okay, anyone follow post? Okay, do let me know if you're following post. Okay, Tally work yesterday do a reversal as well. Today continue goes up. Okay, now what we do right now, like I say, I want to go back to a couple of days ago. We look into pullback. Okay, so like I say, markets is a bit slow right now. Good time, okay, to aim for some pullback counters. Okay, so that's why I was still keeping a bit of my cash to ready for that. Okay, SFP tag. Oh yeah, SFP tag. Also another stock that actually I missed out yesterday due to a bit stingy on the entry. Okay, now another reason why, because of it didn't fulfill my 8% criteria. So that's why I let it go first. Okay, because yesterday when we spotted it, it's around 3 to 4%. Then after that, it goes up to 8% already. So that's why I skip. Okay, but it closed with 12% to 30% yesterday. Okay, today dropped slightly. Okay, so my aim is still around 24 or maybe around 34.5 cents. Okay, I hope I can get that. Okay, so like I said, if I cannot get the upper, We still got plenty, no need to rush. Okay, so started to do a big pullback. I think you can, okay, watch that out. Okay, again, go back to yesterday. Stock alerts, end to end a bit illiquid. A bit dynamic. Okay, this one a bit illiquid. Okay, illiquid stock normally I don't really like it. Okay, Kim Long. Kim Long got reversal. Now, if you want to have early reversal, now this one a bit similar to Emulous that I posted out last week. Okay, so here, reversal, double shrank above 2040. Okay, remember Emulous we posted in Telegram, right? Before they showed up. Okay, they are in this area here. I'm not sure whether they'll show up or not. I'm sure where the resistance here, but low risk, reversal, double shrank. Okay, so let's say for those who have access to X chart or maybe XIFU apps, go into the X charts there, then actually you can see this pullback or maybe the strength signal. Okay, I believe it will slightly help you out to determine where is the area of so-called support. Okay, I cannot promise, like for example, this coastal contract, but this coastal contract a bit illiquid. I cannot promise you it will shoot up like Emulous like Inari, all these kind of counters, but at least it will provide you, support. Okay, at least when you wanted to look for entry, you know, okay, which is the area to minimize your risk. Okay, LHI. Okay, this one also macam slowly mau datang already. Again, notice here, since this is back to Feb, we got strength. Okay, so somewhere around this area over here, slowly building a support. Okay, macam mau datang already. Okay, okay, dialogue, closing the gaps. Let's try EcoWest. Oh, okay. This one started to do pullback really also. Okay, IFCA MFC. Okay. VS Tech. Okay, this one too far. It's a bit too far already. The upper. Okay, IWCT. Okay, good. This one good. This one good. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. I might be wrong also. Like I said, I do exit Opstar. Okay, with not a good trade for me. Okay, but this one I think is good. Okay, so here reversal, high volume, strength. Okay, of course, like I said, I be stingy one. Maybe somewhere around, I think below 38 cents, or maybe 38 cents, 38.5 cents. Okay, I think IWCT is good. IWCT, okay, at least we spotted two that doing a pullback after strength, but this is below 57. S&P Tech also below 50 cents. Now this one enter below 50 cents a bit takut already, but it's a good setup, sir. Okay, this one okay, got volume coming in. Okay, this one no for me. I don't like gaps. Okay, because gap normally is a bit tricky. HE group. This one got volume. Today also, wow, but today volume quite high, because now it's the first trading hour only. So for me, it's considered quite high. Okay, normally high volume, one thing you want to worry is that maybe the reversal fail. Okay, but we can still continue to monitor further. Okay, so far I still like S&P Tech and IWCT, but I hope they will continue to drop a little bit further. Maybe Monday, Tuesday. Okay, so Cycom, there's a gap. Okay, this one a bit illiquid upper. Sunridge. Okay, this one become higher. IPG. Okay. This one a bit similar like Gamuda as well. Trend reversal. Closing the gaps. Okay, trend reversal, closing the gaps. Okay. Hopefully they will drop a little bit lower. Okay, and then make a reversal here. Okay, I think yes, for those who like a bit stable one, property, DC related. Okay, I think our PG is quite nice. Okay, so now we want to look into, okay, again, I continue to do the stock alerts, but this round, we go back to a few days ago. Okay, so just now we are looking into where's my alerts? Okay, my alert's not showing up really. Internet problems. Okay, what happens? Okay, probably he asked us to stop our live Facebook already. Because what I intend to do is that going back to, because just now the list is from Thursday. I intend to go back to Wednesday to look into some pullback stock. Okay. Apa macam ah? Why like this? Okay. Maybe it's the connection issue. Okay, well, last one before we end our sections. Like I say, for those that who have XIFU or X chart, you can do so. You put up some of the strength chart. Go back to a few days ago. I believe you can spot something that is interesting. Just now we just do Tuesday or Thursday only, which is yesterday. We were able to spot few S&P Tech, IWCT, HE Group, IYPG. Okay, so imagine if let's say you go back again Wednesday, Tuesday, I believe you can find something very interesting. So later on, once my alert is back, okay, I will also post that in our Telegram. Make sure you follow our Telegram. Okay, now MMAG, like I said just now, right? This one actually I plan to exit already. Okay, I plan to switch over. Okay, so like I say, 70 cents tricky. Okay, 70 cents is tricky. It's a tough resistance. Okay, right now for them to break. Okay, now I don't say that this one is not a good chart. It's still a good chart, but normally when you have a slightly strong resistance, they were back to support. I think we already talked about that. Okay, yesterday or maybe a few days ago. Okay, when I talk about Cellcon and MMAG. So sometimes what they do is that they'll do a money shakeout, slightly below support, push it back. Okay, and most probably this kind of chart, right? It was sideways for sometimes. It was continued sideways for sometimes. Okay, so that's why the reason why I don't want to hold, because I do see there are other opportunity right now, and of course right now my losses is very small. Okay, my losses is very small, so I still think I can afford it to exit with small losses and switch over to other counters. Okay, so that's my view for MMAG right now. So if you think that okay, I don't want to trade other counters, I still like MMAG because of the company background, or maybe the story behind it. Okay, I think still okay, still good. They are still got chance, okay, for them to hit this 70% and above. Okay, just that I don't like to maybe go through this period again. This one how long? This one almost a month. Okay, so that's why I just okay lah. Maybe I exit first. Next week maybe I'll spot other good pullback stock. I probably will going to switch over. Okay, let's do Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda. Oh yeah, Gamuda just I think JC asked already. Okay, now Gamuda's right now is okay, right? But of course, hitting the immediate resistance right now. Okay, not sure whether CB, right? You are looking for entry exit. Okay, if looking for exit, okay, I think this one, first one, this is the first off. Second is here, 4.9 and 4.75. Okay, so this is the nearest resistance to look into. So overall, I think they are still in the reaccumulation phase. So I think maybe you expect some sideways movement. Okay, hit support resistance, hit support resistance. Okay, so looking for entry, near support 45, 450 cents. Okay, so this will be your near support level. Okay, so let's see whether my alert back already or not. Oh, looking for entry. Looking for entry, yeah. 45 cents. Sorry, 4 ringgit 50 cents. 4 ringgit 50 cents, I think is a near support. Okay, for you to watch out. I don't know why my alert suddenly is not working. All right, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. And like I said, if you like my section, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. We have Telegram, join our Telegram. Later on, I'll do a little bit of homeworks to see, is there any other pullback stocks in Bursa currently or not for us to focus. Okay, welcome, Sibley. Thank you. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again next week.